Welcome back to another review. So I know that you don't get a lot of love on this channel, and that's because I have a main channel where I upload once every 3 days. So if you want to see more frequent content, go over to my main channel Ripire and you'll see a lot more frequent content than this channel. This is just for when I have something to unbox or something to review. And today we've got a brand new keyboard. So you can see right here, this is my current keyboard, and I've got the little Ripire logo up in the corner here. This is my Corsair K63. I've owned this for about 2 to 3 years, I'm going to say, and I might be having a brand new replacement here. I say might because this keyboard might not be true to what it was actually saying. So I'm going to show you a clip of me actually buying this keyboard with a voiceover of what actually involved buying it, and then cut back to me unboxing it. This is an absolute bargain. I actually bought my Corsair K63 for less money than this, and this is a more expensive keyboard. I'm getting this for so much cheaper. I can't believe this. I paid 50 quid for my K63. I won. And here it is. Here's the brand new keyboard. It's the Razer Huntsman. As you can see here, it's the tournament edition, and it's got the red linear switches. So I bought this off eBay, second hand. Allegedly the guy had only used it for about 2 weeks. I don't know if I believe that really, because some of the photos made it look extremely dusty, and my current keyboard doesn't even look like that after 3 years. So not too sure, but it's only been around for a couple of years, so I know it's not long like out of the box. So yeah, hopefully this is legit, because I actually got this for a really good price. I probably already mentioned it, but I actually got this for about £46 all in. So yeah, really good price. Let's see what it actually looks like and what the condition's like. Hopefully it all works and everything like that. It's always a bit sketchy on eBay, just because they have a bit of a reputation. Okay, it's good packaging so far. Actually, I didn't mention it a second ago, but this is actually quite nice because it's got that iridescent text here. You know, it's got some nice features on the box where you could see different features of the keyboard. I'm doing this the wrong way, aren't I? Like the what am I even saying? Onboard memory, Razer Synapsis, the Chroma, 2 years warranty. Don't know if that's still applicable, but yeah, just it's nice. It's a good box as far as boxes go. This is also pretty good. It's got the Razer logo, and I think it's just this end you pull out. I believe it's quite tough actually. Maybe it's not that end. Okay. How do you unbox this? Am I doing something stupid? I am. It's at the front. I'm doing this the wrong way so you guys can get a better angle. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's just jammed. Typical. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's the Razer Huntsman. Just nice feel. I don't know that. Oh, okay. That is a really different sound to my current keyboard. It's quite heavy, isn't it? Wow. I think that's because it's got a solid. Is that metal? It feels metal. Back plate there. Okay, so the cable's detachable, which is good, I guess. Yeah, that does feel good. Like comparing it to my current keyboard, the Corsair. I'm going to put that in frame for a second. Can you hear the difference? I don't know if the mic's close enough. Let me try and move the mic a little closer. This is the Corsair. This is the Razer. There's definitely a difference there. So if I remove one of the arrow keys, I normally do this quite frequently, you can see there is the Razer Optical switch. Now the reason I'm actually changing keyboards is because I want every competitive advantage I can get, and I know the Razer linear switches in these, the optical ones especially, are really, really quick. Some of the quickest you can get, and are just incredible for gaming because of how quick they are. So I'm really excited to use this. I'll have some gameplay of me using it on my main channel if you want to see me actually use this thing in game. I mainly play Fortnite if you're not aware, so you'll see some Fortnite gameplay. Let's see what the feet are like on this. So nice clip up feet. USB Type-C connection up there. Don't know why it was so laggy on the camera there. Yeah, that is going to be nice. I feel like that's going to be nice. Let me just plug this in real quick and see what it looks like when it plugged in. I'm just adjusting the cable length right now, and I just noticed how nice this is. A really quick to use, simple, just pop in and out cable tie. That is really nice. That's a nice little touch from Razer there. Okay, it's lit up. You can see it's just turned on. Now let me just quickly change something over, because you can see then the lights shine through. So it's on the chroma version right now. I think this is just the stock, what it does. Let me just try something out. Can we change this over on the fly? Oh yes we can. This is going to be my new keyboard, I can tell you that. Now that's there, it's definitely going to be a stayer. Okay, that's good. Not sure what to do with this. Maybe I'll put it back on the Corsair. Wow, that is really high on the Corsair now. That actually did not sit as well as the other keys on that. That's weird. It goes on, but doesn't sit as well. Now, something I will say, just looking at this keyboard's texture, it's got a bit more of a grippy texture than my Corsair. Now, I'm not sure if that's because it's a manufacturing, like, not fault, but just worse manufacturing in general, or if it's meant to be like that for additional grip, because I've reviewed a lot of low-end keyboards. Let me just go and grab one real quick and I'll show you what I mean. So if you're a long-time viewer, you might recognize this as the Aliexpress keyboard I bought. Now this is a membrane keyboard, and the keys on it, I don't know if you can quite hear this, a lot of friction, a lot of grittiness on the front, and it's similar to the Razer one. Different frequency, but then the Corsair, there's nothing. So I might actually end up potentially changing the keycaps on the Razer from the Corsair, because I do think I'll prefer the Corsair's one to that. But the actual switches themselves, the main reason I got this keyboard, I think are going to do me really well. Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you want to see more like it, make sure to leave a like and a comment saying so. That was this video. Goodbye.